Out here with the Kangkong. Look at that. This is the stuff I planted in beds. Let me show it to you. Look at this. It's beautiful. Look at that. You see how I cut this center off? See, it came up like this. See, this has like the two leaves that start the growth of the plant, and then this comes up out of there. And so what I've done is I've cut this off right there, and it allows for other leaves to start growing. And that's what I did here. And so basically, by cutting this off, I've put the energy into two sides. So I'm getting twice the amount, sort of. And look how nice and green it is. Lovely. And this one over here. Look at that. That's nice, eh? Thanks for looking at the Kangkong.